Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, you are going to learn how to write leave note for absence in school. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First, you have to start like to the principal followed by the name of your school and the address of your school. Next, you have to write the date on which you are submitting the application in the format date, month, then year. Next, you have to mention the subject of the application. Here, for example, I am writing leave note for absence in school. Then you have to address to the principal. Here, for example, I am writing respected sir or madam. Then you have to start with the body of the application. Here, for example, I am writing I want to bring to your notice that I am, here you have to write your name, comma, a regular student of your school. Then you have to start with the reason for which you were absent in the school. Here, for example, I am writing I could not come to school yesterday because there was no one at home to drop me to the school. My parents had to leave for our native place due to an urgent piece of work. In the next paragraph, you may start like, therefore, kindly grant me leave for yesterday to sit in the class. I hope you accept my request and do the needful. Next, to the left hand side corner, you are going to write thanking you, with regards, your name, class and section.